Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what is the nomenclature of any organic compound. अभी तक हमने बेटा जो 5 और 6 रूल पढ़े हैं, स्टडी किए, उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग आईयूपीएसी नेमिंग का मैं फॉर्मूला लिख रहा हूं। इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर्मूला इज substitute group for IUPAC nomenclature. In first substitute group with next plus root chain. Root chain means parental hydrocarbon chain. You already know root chain have maximum number of carbon are present. Next प्राइमरी सफिक्स। नेक्स्ट है प्राइमरी सफिक्स है। प्राइमरी सफिक्स आर सिंगल बॉन्ड, डबल बॉन्ड एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड। दीज आर प्राइमरी सफिक्स। बट हमने जब स्टडी की है उसमें सेकंड और डबल एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड को अभी तक हमने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करवाया है। एडवांस अकॉर्डिंग 4 और 5 रूल सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप प्लस ए root chain plus a primary suffix, but very importantly position of a substitute group, position of a substitute group always must in a always must in a compound naming. Position of substitute group always must in a compound naming. Now explain with some example. In this compound CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. It's a simple compound, straight chain, not any substitute group. So naming of this compound. In this compound, substitute group is absent. So rule of it or formula of IUPAC: substitute group plus parental hydrocarbon chain plus 1 degree or a primary suffix. Which are primary suffix? The answer is single bond, double bond and triple bond are primary suffix. Single, double and triple bond are suffix, primary suffix. Single bond have does not show any position. Single bond have does not show any position, but double and triple bond have must. डबल एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है मस्ट। डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के एग्जांपल हम आगे देखेंगे, हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड वाले एग्जांपल को देखते। तो सिंपल रूल सब्स्टिट्यूट रूट चेन एंड प्राइमरी सफिक्स। इन दिस कंपाउंड सब्स्टिट्यूट इज एब्सेंट, तो इसको यहाँ से लेफ्ट कर देते हैं। कंपाउंड नेम स्टार्ट विद रूट और पेरेंटल चेन एंड 1 डिग्री सफिक्स। रूट चेन have total number of carbon 5. 5 carbon means name of root chain is pent. 5 carbon is called pent. 1 degree suffix single bond between any carbon means pent plus a. So name of this compound is a pentane. Pentane. First example. सेकंड को देखना, complete the balance. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3 and CH3. In this compound substitute group is present. Substitute is present. Now first one, choose the longest parental hydrocarbon chain. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 means parental chain, longest. Now give the number. Number 1 2 3 4 5 6. If a number give from left side, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. So substitute methyl have 1 2 3 4, fourth number. If a number from right side, then substitute have third number. What is the right rule for position of methyl? Left side or right side? Then answer is a right side, because we already know a substitute group have always a minimum number. So numbering given from a right side 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now IBCN we know substitute group. सब्स्टिट्यूट याद रखने के लिए मेथड बता दूं आपको. सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप में आर ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट ऑन ए स्टार्टिंग और फर्स्ट इन IBC नेम ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप ऑलवेज इन फर्स्ट. सब्स्टिट्यूट स्टार्ट विद S and start word also S. when say starting substitute, starting किससे करते हैं? सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप से. देन रूट से एंड आफ्टर दैट 1 डिग्री और प्राइमरी सफिक्स. व्हिच आर प्राइमरी सफिक्स? सिंगल, डबल एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आर प्राइमरी सफिक्स. नाउ मैंने रूल्स में आपको बता दिया था. सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप में कम से इन स्टार्टिंग कम्स फर्स्ट बट विद ए पोजीशन. with a position. Then name of this compound is 3. 3 shows the number of a substitute group or position of substitute group. Hyphen symbolic hyphen में show करना है naming में. 3 third number का hyphen and after that methyl. 3 methyl because third number carbon have methyl. if 1 2 3 4 methyl लिख देता रॉन्ग हो जाता. IBC का रूल क्या बोलता है कि सब्स्टिट्यूट को मिनिमम नंबर आना चाहिए. 3 methyl सब्स्टिट्यूट हो गए यहां पे कंप्लीट. आफ्टर देन रूट चेन have total number of carbon 6. then hex between two carbon have single means a primary suffix. so name of this compound is 3-methyl hexane. 3-methyl hexane. Suppose that more than one substitute present in a hydrocarbon chain and both are same. CH3, CH3 3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3 and CH3. लॉन्गेस्ट चेन स्ट्रेट चेन हो जाएगा. सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप है मोर देन 1 2 है एंड बोथ आर सेम and both are present on same position from both sides. If we numbering from left side, then these are second 2 3 4 5, these are 5. From right side 2 and 5. So in this condition naming from both sides, naming or numbering given from both sides 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 2 and 5 have 2 methyl. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 2 and 5 have 2 methyl. Then यहां से वो रूल मैं आपको सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, लिखवा नहीं रहा एक बार. इफ इन ए हाइड्रोकार्बन से मोर देन 1 or 2 substitute group are present and both substitute are same. Both substitute are same and both are present on same position from left or right side. Then each substitute group have show the position of a substitute. Each substitute group for each time shows the position of a substitute. And if two substitute group are same, then before the naming of substitute group, some prefix will be used, and these prefix are di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. Di means if two substitute group are present and both are same. Tri means if three substitute group are present and three are same. So name of this compound is 2 number carbon have present, comma 5. 2 and 5 shows the position of two substitute. 2, 5. Di means both are same. Dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. 2 methyl. 5 methyl. 2 है means prefix di. 2, 5 dimethyl and hexane and ene. Name of this compound is 2, 5 dimethyl hexane. 2, 5 dimethyl hexane. Very important. इस बात को याद रखना आपको. If two substitute group are present in a hydrocarbon chain and both are same, then before the name of substitute group, for two substitute di prefix, for 3 tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. And each substitute group number or position will must for each time. 2 and 5. Last example हो देखना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This have CS3 and this have C+5. CS3, CH2, CH, CS2, CH2, CH2, CH, CS2, CS3. Longest hydrocarbon chain. Now give the number. Left side methyl third, right side ethyl third. Right rule. Numbering from left side to right side. Then according I will see from right side. Why? Because in alphabetical order, ethyl E comes first and methyl M after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. IUPAC naming, numbering from alphabetical, and IUPAC name is also given according alphabetical order. Substitute group comes first but substitute are two types. The naming of this compound is 3-ethyl. 3 have ethyl. Hyphen 7-methyl. Here 3 and 7 both are not present in regular order because third have different and 7 have different substitute. Note 3,7-di. Di, tri, when same substitute. Both are same. 3 and 7 are regular means both are same substitute. Here both are different substitutes. CS3 and C2S5, ethyl and methyl. So ethyl in naming comes first because E in alphabetical order comes first from a methyl N. Now 3-ethyl, 7-methyl, no name. No means 9 carbon.